Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a haul on the OVO store in Vancouver, which just opened pretty recently. So my future sister-in-law actually picked this stuff up for me and sent it to me a couple days ago. I'm about to open this and I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Benny. So I've wanted this stuff for a while. I'm actually planning to do a video for you guys on buying the cheapest thing on OVO online, but a lot of their stuff is actually sold out and they're always sold out until they restock. I think they restock every Friday, but there's just so much stuff I want from OVO, but it's just sold out at the moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got. So this is the package right here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, I only got two things, just so you guys are not disappointed. By the way, you guys, please let me know if the lighting is a little bit off in this video. It looks off from the viewfinder, but I don't know until I edit it anyways. But I'm just trying to change my camera setup just slightly, and I feel like the lighting is kind of messed up now. So anyways, let's continue to open this. Okay, so I finally got it out of the packaging, and here it is. I should probably text her to tell her that I got this. Oh, snap! This knife is so ghetto. I've had this since I used to work at Superstore, which, if you know me, you know that was like ages ago. Gosh. Okay. Here is the bag. Right there. Okay, let's just actually show you that properly. Here is the bag. So if you guys don't know, OVO is actually on Robson Street in Vancouver. I'm sure if you live there, you'd probably know that. Or if you're planning a trip there and you really like Drake and you like owls like me, then yeah, it's on Robson Street. This bag is so freaking cute. I actually just want to keep it. I think it's adorable. Okay. I might actually wear this today if it's really warm because, girl, it's like freaking minus 20 something, and I'm going outside like a crazy person, so there's another bag in here. I know what this is. This is the hat. Okay, so I got the OVO hat and I got it in black, and this is what it looks like. I really love the colors black and gold together. I really like black and hot pink together. I just think that it's just so pretty and just so classic. The hardware is all gold, and yeah, so that is the hat. I believe this was around $53 with the tax. So you guys, I love hats, but I kind of don't really like wearing them because I wear makeup and I don't want to get it all over the hat. But oh my gosh, so freaking cute. I will totally rock this. Oh, I didn't get makeup on it, cool. Maybe because I just put makeup on and it's all powdered and stuff and it's all set. But you girls feel me. If you wear makeup and you want to wear a hat like this when your hair is looking like a hot mess, you feel me. So yeah, even like the tags are very like high-end feeling. Like, this is so nice. So nice, really well made. I already got dog hair on it, excuse that. But yeah, that's the hat. So pretty. Okay, next thing I got was a hoodie. This is a size small. I think it's a men's size small, or yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a men's size small. It is enormous. It is enormous, but I'm gonna try it on for you guys. So far, it's really soft. I really like that. It's really soft. So I got the OVO hoodie with the little tiny owl here on the shoulder because I really wanted the one with a huge owl or the one with the Sandra's rose, if you guys have seen that online. So it's basically just a white owl with like roses on the wing. I really wanted that, but both of them were sold out. So now I have an idea of what the sizing is like because I was going to purchase the one with the big owl online because they still had that. So I was gonna go ahead and get that, but now that I know what a small is like, I'm gonna go ahead and try this on for you guys. But so far, again, it's very soft, it's very heavy, and the hardware is very pretty. So it's just this like gold hardware. It's gold from the top there. So matchy, it's so pretty. So it also comes with a big hood, as you guys can see. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try this on and see if it fits me. I'm really hoping it does because this was probably closer to 200. It was like 176 plus the sales tax on top of that, and Vancouver has like 2 taxes. Alberta only has 1. I think, no. So BC has 2 taxes, but it's combined as 1 now. But it's like a lot, and Alberta has just like 1 sales tax, which is like 5%. So this was a little bit more pricey. I really hope they open an OVO store in Calgary. I don't know if they ever will, or like maybe Edmonton, you guys. Like, I don't know. I really hope that they open one here in Alberta because there's literally one in Vancouver, one in Toronto, maybe one in Montreal. I'm not completely sure on that, but they're just so far away. So I wish they had one here and I wouldn't have to, you know, stock his website every Friday for like a restock or something, and hope they restock something. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on and show you guys what it looks like. BRB. Okay, y'all, so this is what the hoodie looks like on. I'm gonna sort of stand up for you. So it is a little bit baggy than I'm used to. I really like my stuff really like tight and fitted and stuff like that. Even my casual clothes, like hoodies or whatever, I really like them like just tight and fitted. I don't know why, but I think this is really cute. I actually kind of like how it's kind of baggy. Well, actually it's pretty baggy. Like there's, I don't know. Usually my hoodies are very like that pretty much, you know. You can just see how skinny my arm is. But with this, it's a little bit baggy, which is okay. I kind of like this. I kind of like this look. I kind of like how this is going for me. It doesn't look like I'm wearing my man's hoodie, which, I mean, he wears his hoodies like oversized anyways. So when I wear them, they're like, I'm just like swimming in them, and I don't feel this way in this particular hoodie. I was lazy. I kept my shirt on underneath and I kept the tag on, so I'm gonna have to try and finesse my way out of this. But the top part actually fits really well, like around the neck and stuff like that. It's pretty snug. It's not, I mean, there's space, but it's nothing crazy. So I'm trying to give you guys sort of an idea of if you are trying to purchase this online, and if you're small, and if you're like similar height to me, what it's gonna look like on you, basically, because there's not a lot of videos out there that are helpful with that. So I'm pretty sure I am a size small in the women's like OVO stuff, because I'm a size small generally in everything across the board. So I would have gotten a size small in women's, and this is like the unisex or men's size small. And yeah, so that's what it looks like. I will stand up for you. It's pretty long, actually. I don't know how I'm gonna show this. I fail. Okay, so I'm wearing pajamas right now because, like every YouTuber, I film in pajamas because you guys don't see the bottom half of my body, right? So it goes a little bit, like it's pretty long. Like you could totally rock this with leggings. It covers most of my butt, and yeah, it's pretty long. So that's what it looks like on. Like again, it's kind of a little baggy, a little bit oversized, but it's not too much to the point where it looks like I'm swimming in it. So the back just looks like this, just a plain hood. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, so I'm out of breath now and I don't know why. Okay, so that is pretty much the hoodie and the hat. I really like everything. I like the quality. I think it's definitely worth it so far. I haven't washed it yet, clearly, but I think so far the quality is really nice. It's very soft, and I might actually wear this out today because it is freaking cold, and I feel like this would keep me really warm. If you guys are wondering what I'm doing, because I'm a crazy person. Me and my friends are going to a Pokemon raid. It's like an exclusive raid. I probably should have started a gaming channel at some point. It probably would have been like successful on here. So yeah, that's what we're doing. It's like -20 and we were trying to catch like an exclusive Pokemon. So that's what I'm doing today. So yeah, this is pretty much my hoodie. I might actually wear something underneath this. I don't even know. I don't even know, you guys. My jacket is really warm, but it's freaking cold. I'm not looking forward to going outside. Ugh. But yeah, so that is pretty much it for my OVO haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know it was 2 things, but it was like, it was a lot. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. Follow me on IG. My link will be at the end of the video, and I will see you guys soon in my next one. Bye, everyone.